It's time to break free from your past. So many people are walking around miserable because they've allowed their past to dictate to them who they are and who they will never be. If you're not careful, your past will suffocate you and stop you from living your best life. Stop using your past as a crutch and choose to let it go. They betrayed your trust. They disappointed you. They stabbed you in the back. Whatever it was, you have to make up your mind and choose to not allow your past to hinder another second of your present or your future. Don't allow the non-existent apology to keep you from moving on with your life. You have to tell yourself that enough is enough. It's time to leave the past in the past. It's time to stop existing and start living. It's time to move on and go get what's yours.